So, we're in beautiful Red Cliff, Colorado. And it snowed last night, huh, Kenny?
It fucking snowed. It's fucking cold out here. If you guys can't tell, looking at the trees and the ground, it's fucking cold.
Nah, it's tropical out here. I don't know what you're talking about. But we're here because there's flow in the Gilman Gorge, so when there's flow, I'm a go. I don't care about the weather. Kenny, we did it.
And it was clean. The whole thing.
It was pretty clean. There's water, there's no logs.
Not a single episode.
Look at all this snow, dude. When do you ever get to run the Eagle River, Gilman Gorge with snow, man? Probably not too often. We've got ice on the paddle. That's always nice. It's a good old. This is my favorite. The iced up life jackets are always the best, dude. It's so smooth. But yeah, other than my brace for freedom and slurry pipe, I was pretty clean. You know what I'm saying?